Where is it?
I told you I was going to get you right.
The cornrows was actually telling the truth. I see the critics of episode 2 actually humbled you. That's beautiful. I love the outfit. The upgrade is beautiful. In fact, I had no idea you had a thing for pink. Such assassin, am I right?
Keep talking. And your friend was 6 feet under.
I'm going to ask you this one more time. Where the fuck